Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix lag issues during Discord live streaming. So let's begin. First, make sure that your Discord application is up to date. Download the most latest version. Then over here, go to your user settings, scroll down a bit, choose advanced, and over here, this is what we need, hardware acceleration. Now, uses your GPU to make Discord smoother. Turn off if you're experiencing visual problems. This is exactly what we need. So as we know, GPU, you have the option to use GPU that will take up most of the task. For example, you video editing, gaming, etc. But most likely the default is going to be your CPU. So if you're experiencing these issues, turn this off. Turn this off. This is the main culprit for video problems like lags, crashes, and other known issues out there, especially on streaming platforms. Turn this off, and this will definitely fix your issues. So just make sure to restart, and Discord will automatically apply the changes for you. So I hope you found this video very helpful.